I'm dedicated to helping you find the parts you need for your exercise equipment. So we're not only going to provide parts for you guys, but we're also going to provide videos so you can see how to install your part after you buy it.
Just because that's such a rare thing, so when I go asking for parts and I don't have some kind of proof, I don't have, no, that's loud enough. Okay, so this is the exact same machine, guys. You can see the customer's even got the same shoes. So what we're testing for is like an odd deck to belt friction noise. So last time, I think even by now you've already started hearing it. So let's just see if he's gonna run a little longer this time. I know that's an odd one, and people don't want to believe me on that one. But that's a dead spot between your walking belt and your running deck. See, look at that. This customer's got a good gait too. Look at this guy's gait, guys. That's pretty good. So, you know, if you get some more questions about that, instead of mailing out the cushions or the this or that, it's the deck and belt. It's a very specific noise, and it usually only happens to runners. All right, so I would say this one is a closed case. Deck and belt issue resolved. Thanks a lot.